Good morning, boys. Good morning to the staff. And good morning to any parents who've joined us for our Monday morning assembly. Please, will you bow your heads and let us pray. Dear God, we thank you today and we bless you for every single child here in the school. We pray as each child learns and progresses through school that you help them to believe that they can achieve all things through Christ, who strengthens them. We pray that you will equip each child with the necessary skills, ability, and knowledge to be successful in school and in life. And when challenges come, may you always remind them that your word is faithful and true. Amen. Right, boys, this week we have our second last Pridwin value to go through. But before we do that, let's remind ourselves of the 8 Pridwin values. The Pridwin values: balance, collaboration, empathy, humility, independence, leadership, respect, and responsibility. Respect. Respect is such an important value, boys. And I want to tell you 2 stories that will hopefully illustrate how important the value of respect is. Firstly, there is a story about a man who lived next door to an old man. And he decided to start telling people and spreading a rumor that this old man was a thief. And the old man was actually then eventually arrested. But the old man proved his innocence and came out from the police station and was quite angry because this man had spread rumors about him that weren't true. And so he decided that he would sue the man for spreading these rumors. And there was a court case. And the man who had spread the rumors said to the judge, "Oh, come on, judge. I was just saying things. They're just words. They didn't really mean anything, or they didn't really do any harm." And the judge says, "All right, I'm going to give you my verdict tomorrow. But before I do that, I want you to go home tonight. And I want you to take a piece of paper. And I want you to write down all the horrible things and untrue things that you wrote about this man. And then I want you to tear it up. Tear off the paper. Like this. Into lots of little bits. And then I want you to throw them away. And then come back in the morning and I'll give you the verdict." So the man came back in the morning and the judge said to him, "Did you write down all the things you said about this man?" He said, "Yes." He said, "And did you crumple them all up and tear them all up and throw out all those words, throw them away?" He said, "Yes, he did." He said, "Well, now I want you to go and pick up all those pieces of paper and all those words and put them together." And he said, "But judge, that's impossible. They've all flown away in the wind. I'll never find them all." And the judge said to him, "That's exactly what happened to you and this man. Some of those words that you said to him will never ever be able to be made right. And one word or one just apology won't necessarily make it all right. So think about it." And the man thought about it and he understood. And he apologized and he said he has learned his lesson. He asked for forgiveness. And so, boys, that is why it is so important to respect someone else, to Doesn't matter who that person is. Doesn't matter how old that person is. Doesn't matter if that person's younger than you. You don't even need to be their best friend. And in fact, sometimes they might even irritate you a bit. But everyone deserves respect. And so we respect all people. We respect God. We respect our environment. And we respect ourselves. If we do that, we will be able to accept everything and everyone and work to make this world a much better place. Respect is a wonderful Pridwin value. I'd like to announce the winners of the Sports Challenge. And I'm going to be announcing the winners from the last 2 weeks. First of all, in week 5, congratulations to our winner in grade 4, Milo Bonadai. In grade 5, Sean Bierman. In grade 6, William Stevens. And there were no winners for grade 7. Our senior prep grade winners, congratulations to the grade 5s. And our house winners, in 4th place, Lancelot. 3rd place, Tristram. 2nd place, Galahad. And in 1st place, Bedivere. And then for last week, congratulations to our grade 4 winner, again Milo Bonadai, and our grade 5 winner, again Sean Bierman. And there were no grade 6 and 7 winners. And our grade winners, again congratulations to the grade 5s. And the house results, 4th place Lancelot, 3rd place Tristram, 2nd place Bedivere, and in 1st place, congratulations to Galahad. And that's the assembly for today. I wish you all a wonderful week, boys. Our last week before we break up for our midterm break. Thank you.